So welcome to my channel and welcome to Makati, Philippines. And one of my favorite things here is on Sunday morning they actually close the road here on Ayala Avenue and what's this, Paso de Rojas. And I'm right here at this, behind me is the Nino Aquino statue. So see you right there. And I'm gonna do a little walk because I love to walk and it's good exercise, and the vibe here is so neat. And let's take a walk down the road and you can see the beautiful, you know, architecture of these buildings. Just kind of do a sweep around where I'm starting at. I mean, look at them. You can see all the folks walking. We're gonna head back down, go the other way, the end of the sun. Got the bike lane, you got the walk and run lane. Such a joyful time. Now you'll see the buildings coming back on the other side. Get to see them into the sun. One thing about Jollibee, there's certainly not. This is the #1 place here. Check that out. Over here. Here, check this out. Check it out. This is a typical Filipino breakfast. Beef tapa, scrambled egg, fried rice, eggplant, sauerkraut. So how neat is that? After all that walking, it's time to chow down. And if this content helps you out, please consider hitting the like button. It really does help out my channel. And I hope to see you in my next video here in the Philippines.